They never talk about Halane, and that is why I am going to talk about it. Now, some of you will say, what the hell is Halane? Halane is based in Somalia. It's a powerful entity within that sovereign nation. How powerful it is? If the government officials, including the president, ever steps into Halane, they get searched down top to bottom because nobody's trusted. And if you're going to go in there, they need to know every single thing about you, pretty much. Now, what is Halane accused of? Well, the Somali population that lives in Somalia has been complaining about Halane for years and years and years, and nobody talks about it. How bad it is? There is videos you can search up on TikTok about Halane, and you will see mothers, girls complaining about it. People go into Halane. I'm talking about girls and children, and they never get out. And if you have seen the Epstein files about Somalia, it states there is a clinic that they wanted to open within Somalia. Well, if the dots click, there's one powerful entity that can do that. Allegedly, it's speculated that it could be Halane itself. Now, where is Halane located at? If you search it on Google Maps, it's not going to be found. Yes, it's that powerful. You can never search it on Google Maps. You have to search something else for it to appear. Yeah, you can never see it. Now, why is Halane there? Obviously, because Somalia is a nation that have failed. And basically, the entire world community states it as a failed state. They believe that there should be a foreign entity to rule over the government, and it should control it from the top. And that's how Halane was formed. You can see even some government officials themselves talk about Halane and how much of a damage it have caused to the Somali community, and how nobody dares do anything about what Halane can do within the country. That there's reports of girls and boys and kids basically missing. That allegedly Halane could be a source of that problem. You can all search it up and do your research about this entity within Somalia. But yeah, there's not much of an information outside that.